nap, nail, name, near, meet, neck, need, nest, net, new, next, nice, night, gnawing, no, nod, noise, none, north, nose, not, note, now, nut, napkin, navy, nation, native, nature, narrow, neatness, neighbor, nephew, nestle, never, news. The thought of having a third child in our family is overwhelming. Noble, nobody, nodding, noisy, normal, northward, notice, novel, number, nurse, nutty, narrate, nearby, nearly, negative, neglect, negotiate, nervous, network, neutral, newly, natural, navigator, necklace, needle, nectar, neon, nesting, netting, newer, nicely, nicest, nightly, 19, ninth, nobleman, nods, noodle, noon, northwest, notable, notebook, nothing, noticeable, notify, nourish, novice, nowadays, nowhere, nudges, numeral, numerous, nursing, nutrition, nutmeg, nutshell, narration, narrator, nasal, nationwide, native born, nativity, naturalist, natured, navigator, nearside, nearsighted, need necess, nebula, necessary, neckband, necked, necktie, nectarine, needful, needless, needlework, meats, meaty, nefarious, negation, negative, neglectful, neglected, negotiable, nay, neighborly, neighborhood, neonatal, neophyte, nephews, nephron, nerd, nerve, nerveless, nervy, nestled, nestling, nettable, network, networking, neural, neurons, neuter, neutralize, newborn, newcomer, newest, newlywed, newness, newsboy, newsman, newsman, newspaper, newsprint, newsroom, newsstand, newsy, nibble, nibbling, nice looking, niceness, nicer, nicest, niche, nick, nickel. The thought of having a third child in our family is overwhelming. Nicotine, niece, nifty, nightfall, nightgown, nightingale, nightlife, nightlight, nightly, nightmare, nighttime, nimbly, nimble, nimbus, ninfold, 19, 90th, 90, ninths, nip, nipped, nipping, nirvana, knit, nitpick, nitpicker, nitpicking, nitrate, nitric, nitrogen, nitrous, nix, nobleman, nobility, noble women, nobodies, nocturnal, no, nodded, nodding, node, nods, Noel, noise, noisemaker, noiseless, noisily, noisy, nomad, nomadic, nomenclature, nominate, nominee, nonchalant, non-event, non-existent, non-fact, non-fiction, non-human, non-linear, non-living, non-member, non-metal, non-negotiable, non-for-real, non-profit, non-reactive, nonsense, non-stop, non-verbal, non-violent, noodle, noodles, nook, noon, noonday, noontime, news, normalcy, normality, normalize, normally, normative, northbound, northeast, northerly, northern, northernmost, northland, northward, northwest, nosebleed, nosed, nosedive, noses, nosily, nosing, nostalgia, nostalgic, nostrils, nosy, notable, notably, notary, notation, notch, note, notebook, noted, notepad, notes, nothingness, notice, noticeboard, noticeable, noticing, notification, notified, notifies, notify, noting, notion, notional, notoriety, notorious, nourish, nourishing, nourishment, novel, novelist, novel eyes, novella, novelty, novice, nowadays, nowhere, noxious, nuance, nub, nubile, nubs, nuclear, nuclei, nucleus, nude, nudge, nudged, nudges, nudging, nudist, nudity, nugget, nuisance, numb, numbered, numbering, numbers, numbly, numbness, numerable, numeral, numerate, numerical, numerous, numbskull, nun, nuncio, nunnery, nuns, nurse, nursed, nursery, nurseries, nurses, nursing, nurture, nurtured, nurtures, nurturing, nutcracker, nutmeg, nutrient, nutrition, nutritious, nutritive, nutshell, nutnies, nutty, nylon, nymph, narrated, narrating, narratives, narrowed, narrowing, nastily, nastiness, nasty, nationhood, national, nationalism, nationalist, nationality, nationalize, nationals, nationwide, native-like, nativism, nativeness, natron, naturalism, naturalized, naturally, natures, naught, naughtily, naughty, nautical, navigate, navigated, navigates, navigating, navigation, navigations, navigators, maybes, neared, nearing, nears, nearness, neatest, nebulae, nebulous, necessaries, necessarily, necessary, necessitate, necessities, neck bone, necklaces, necks, neckties, necrosis, nectaries, nectars, neededness, needier, neediness, needsome, nefariously, negated, negates, negating, negations, neglecting, neglects, negligee, negligence, negligent, negotiates, negotiated, negotiates, negotiating,